Earn money watching Google Ads. A simple way for everyone to earn. Swashapp.io. How? As you can see, regular people are withdrawing $4, $5, even $10. And you can do it too. The best part? It's completely free. What is Swashapp.io? Just search for Swashapp.io on Google. Over 200 countries are already earning from this platform. Like the video, earn more. Thumbs up. How does it work? Watch ads and earn points. You can redeem these points for Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or even convert them into cryptocurrency. Tips to maximize your earnings. You can earn anywhere from 20 cents to $1 per ad. Want to earn even more? I'll show you a trick to increase your earnings by 5x later in the video. Let's go! How to use Swashapp.io. Go to Swashapp.io. Click on Get Swash. You'll see the extension appear. Add to Chrome, click Add to Chrome, and the Swash app extension will be added to your browser. 3. Set up your wallet. You'll be redirected to the website. Click on Yes, I'm new here. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy, then press Next. Save your private key. Check the box and click Next again. On the next page, select your gender, age, and household income. Click Next. Make sure to enter a real email address because you'll receive a verification code. Copy the code sent to your email, paste it, and click Verify. Activate and update your profile. How to earn money with Swash app. Click on the Earn More option in the side menu. Select Earn from Ads. On the new page, check the 3 boxes to activate ad earnings. Now, whenever you click on the extension and watch ads, you'll see your earnings grow. My earnings today. As you can see, I've earned $24 today, and $23 is available for withdrawal. Want to learn how to withdraw money? I'll make a video explaining withdrawals once this video gets 1,500 likes. If you want me to speed up making that video, don't forget to leave a comment.